Guy, this is my John Deere 445. Replaced a 425. So I replaced everything and upgraded it. Put the John Deere cab on it. Weights, chains, 47 Snowblower. My drift cutter, electric.
Lenny, what do you want labor-wise for that?
Couple hours.
3?
Yeah. Electric chute. All of my hydraulics. Battery tender. This is the fitting that I made to draw the hot water for the inside of the cab. Made out of the U-joint. Cut and welded it. 5/8. Feeds a 12-volt electric auxiliary pump out of a 2016 Audi TT. Right now I'm replacing the thermostat. Reason why? Did some research. Found that the original thermostat that was in it it shows 65 degrees Celsius. The Kawasaski replacement, 82 Celsius. New housing. This is part of the electrics that we have. All plug and play. Powers the wiper. To the heater that I mounted to the ceiling. Not by the floor, so it's out of your way. As you can see, made brackets to hold the tubing. Ran the brackets with Velcros across the top. Dumping them behind. Late model high back seat. Drink holder. Probably wondering what that is. It's a PTO cable that you pull and push, which attaches to a salt spreader that we adapted off an ATV. Rubber insert, cable to the 3-point hitch, 3-point hitch to the wheel weights, to the weight bar bracket, to the 3-point. It attaches in. Custom-made bracket holder to the ATV spreader. Okay. As you can see, the 12-volt feeds into a splicing tee that you can close off and isolate it if you want to remove the cab. Have it tied into the lower hose. Drops down under the frame, and it comes back up the bracket. I have yet to put a steel bracket that holds the hoses to the frame. That's my next step. There's another connection on the outlet side of the heater. And now comes the beautiful thing, the tubing. Minimum hose. I got it to come up through the floor pan. Can easily get off the floor pan foot to access the side panel. As you can see, I have the tubing running up the side. All mounted in, not hacked to the heater. Heaters run off with an infinity switch to the right of the PTO. We have our lighting. You're probably wondering what these other two switches are. The switch right there operates the chute control, up, down. And that one there turns on the salt spreader. Don't have to get out of the tractor. We'll move to the lighting on the top in a moment. But I purchased a remote control LED lighting system, multiple function. I've added in a fuse box on a separate circuit coming from the battery, and it feeds all the power. The red wires are the jumpers. Couldn't find a box that's internally jumped, so I had to jump it, and the wires are protected. I don't know if you can see it, by a rubber isolator. Everything is controlled by relays with on and off switches. Okay, I was telling you about the lighting. Lights alternate, stay constant, yellow or white, depending on the operation. For additional lighting, the headlamps, which you don't see here, are HID, or theoretically they're just LED. Alright, here it is all put back together. Battery charger, light module, rest in. You notice how it's tucked in under your floor pan, or above your floor pan, under your floor mat. As you can see how it's spinning nicely from the electric controller inside. Velcros the tubes up to the top of the roof. Got a real good picture. See how the tubes run down in through the foot. There's some EDPM that I cut to fit after a couple of templates. See how the wiper works? 65 degrees, 69 degrees. See the temp gauge, it's just moving off. We have over 100 degrees. $110. $115. $119. More than bath water. Anything over 120, we're cooking. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Ask any questions. Oh, in case I didn't show you. Little extra piece of equipment. Yeah, got them both. And then of course, you don't see up there, the 54-inch spare fender deck, just in case the JD cab ruins it, I got a spare. I'll show you how the everything works. Up, down. And now for the electric. Up, down. And there's one other thing just purchased. AR 400 scrape rod. Nice piece. The old rod, we repurposed it, cut them, welded them to the shoes. Get me a little more light. Alright, tractor's been idling for a few minutes. Digital infrared. Not bad. Spare gloves.